Hello from Slovenia again. I'll just throw something on here. I will use this double-decker kind of flower-shaped cup, and I will do a reverse flower dip again. Hopefully this is kind of in the middle, and I will talk about my colors while I will do that. And I will start with the pearl white, of course. And this is Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue. And I will add this navy next. This is my Mieri Navy Blue. I will put all the colors and brands into the description box, so if you will want to check that. And pearl white again. Not too much. And I have Pebeo Cobalt Violet, and Amsterdam Cadmium Red Middle, and pearl white again. Whoop. Was not a good one. I'll just add a little more to those two, I think. Yes. And next is Azo Orange Amsterdam. So I'm kind of using rainbow colors to brighten up my day. And Azo Yellow Light. And I will go with pearl white again. A little more here. And Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue. And I will go with pearl white between every color now. Not much, but I will. Pearl white, and navy blue. Pearl white, and cobalt violet, and pearl white again. Cadmium red, and pearl white again, and Azo Orange, pearl white again, okay, and Azo Yellow light. Okay. I really like this, how this looks right now. Maybe the next one that I will do, I will just spin it without a napkin, but today, and we will see the difference then, but today I will do a reverse dip. Just have to grab my skewer, and I will draw some patterns. Okay, and I will leave this part first. And this one next. And I will drag from the sides towards the middle to create this pattern kind of look in the middle. And wow, it looks nice, isn't it? And I think that I have this totally out of focus, I don't know. And my napkin, I will spray it with water to soften it down. You can do with the dry one if you want, but I prefer wet one. Put it down, and the other side. I'm trying not to have too much air underneath. Make sure that paint touches the napkin, touches the paint everywhere. And the moment of truth, the lifting part. Lift. Wow, beautiful colors, but where is my lacing? Let's see if something will appear. Because I really don't want to spin this one, because I like the shape, so I will just wait a second. And I love the colors. Maybe I love these middle ones where I add pearl white between every color, even a little more than the outside ones, or not. I don't know. I will say that I have just enough of every color that I put in. Yes, they did mix a little bit, but I want that. But I don't have too much yellow, I don't have too much, I don't know, purple, too much this turquoise or orange or whatever. So I will say that it is a success. I will just leave it like it is because I like it. You could, you know, spin it and you will get more lacing out, but I think that I will just keep it like it is. Maybe I could do a little better job with the lifting part, so maybe I can try to fix that optical illusion here, where, you know, I did some wiggles or something, I don't know. Okay, and now I will say that it will maybe just break this petal kind of here. And I don't see a lot of man parts. This is something that makes me happy too. Okay, so I will leave it now and take you for a close-up. Yay! I really, really like it. So, here is a close-up. I really, really like this one, I have to say, because it has just enough lacing, I will say. I was afraid at first because I didn't see a lot of these effects from pearl white, but now I think that it's just enough. And as I said, I love the colors because I think that it's just enough of any of them. So I'm really happy with this one. I really am. How beautiful those rainbow colors go from this iridescent blue-green to the yellow. I really like it. So I will call this one successful. Tell me what you think about it. Do you like it too? And you can check Paint Pour store for those cups, 3D printed cups. You have a discount code in my description box. You can use it. And if you will try flower dip, I would love to see it. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye. And my roasters and chickens said bye too.